Are you tired of spending hours on research papers, assignment, or thesis writing? What if I told you that you can write 5 times faster using powerful AI tools, and the best part, most of them are absolutely free? Hi, I am Dr. Aamarpali Roy from Anna Publishing Private Limited. And in this comprehensive guide, I'll walk you through 5 game-changing AI tools for academic writing, along with simple steps to set up your account and log in without frustration. AI tools save time, reduce stress, improve grammar, and help you cite references correctly. Whether you are a student, researcher, or a content creator, these tools can be your writing partners. First up, ChatGPT. It helps you generate ideas, summaries. Go to chat.open.ai.com, sign up with Google or email, and you are good to go. Just type your topic and let it assist your writing. Grammarly isn't just a grammar checker, it refines tone, clarity, and academic language. Perfect for polishing assignment or emails. Once signed in, you can paste your text into its editor or use the browser extension. Need help rephrasing your content? QuillBot can paraphrase, summarize, and improve vocabulary, great for avoiding plagiarism. Sign in and try their academic writing mode for best results. Jenni.ai is a writing assistant built for academia. It helps you finish your sentences, cite sources, and stay focused. Sign up is quick, and their free tier gives you a solid head start. Zotero is your best friend for reference management. It saves research papers, generates citation in APA or MLA, and integrates with Word or Google Docs. It's 100% free and widely used by researchers worldwide. Use your academic email for premium features. Prefer Google Sign-In to avoid password issues. Use a password manager to store credentials securely. Always verify your email. Check spam folders too. So, this was your comprehensive guide for Anna Publishing Private Limited, helping you write faster, smarter, and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more academic and AI-powered tools. Let me know in the comments which tool will you try first. Thank you.